motivated for the long haul is both challenging and necessary. We live in a fast-paced society where instant gratification is the norm. We may discover that we need skills and attributes to help us stay positive and on course as we deal with the ups and downs of life and work. Hi, my name is Rashie Sinha. I am your business productivity coach and trainer. Welcome to another episode of Midweek Business Moment, where I share quick hacks and tips that will help you streamline work processes and lead to higher success. From time to time, each of us will find ourselves in a rut of boredom and disinterest. We seem to lose our zest for life and feel tired, irritable, and unmotivated. We want to hide under the covers rather than face the day. Perhaps you're feeling overwhelmed by work, or sad about the pain and suffering in the world, or just bored with the routine of your daily life. You are not alone. We all go through periods like this at some point. The good news is that we can do something about it. So here are top 9 powerful tips to help break out of the rut and feel excited about life again. Tip number 1, taking a time out. Prolonged stress can wear us down and zap any enthusiasm we once had. Before doing anything else, take a few minutes to breathe and just be. Empty your mind of all stress and worry. This takes practice, but don't give up. As thoughts come into your mind, gently push them back out and continue to keep your mind empty and calm. Talk slow, deep breaths, and let all of your muscles relax. Sit quietly and recharge your batteries. Try to do this daily or even twice daily, once in the morning and once before you go to bed. We need quiet time as much as we need anything else in life. Give yourself the gift of inner peace. Tip 2, inspiration. Read something motivational, inspirational, or uplifting. Look at some beautiful nature photos or read something humorous. Consciously move your thoughts to a more positive place. Focusing on nothing but work and our daily tasks in life can leave us feeling pretty uninspired. It is easy to turn it around if we want to. We just have to seek out things that will lift our spirits and our moods. Make it a point to laugh, be happy, joyful, and light-hearted each day. Don't wait for inspiration to come knocking on your door. Go out and find it or create it. Conjure up some funny or touching memories. Write them in a journal so you can go back and read them when you're feeling down. Tip 3, get excited. Think about the tasks of the day with eagerness. Even your tasks aren't anything to be really excited about, at least think of some positive benefits to doing them and imagine the possibilities that can happen when things go your way. Tip 4, revisit the why. When we first begin a new project or start a new job, we are excited about the possibilities and eager to get moving. Over time, we can lose that enthusiasm for a variety of reasons. Travel back in time for a moment and think about what got you so excited at the beginning. What made your heart beat a little faster? Capture that feeling and hang on to it. Tip number 5, work with deadlines. If you are procrastinating about a project, you may be motivated by the self-imposed pressure of a deadline. Try giving yourself a deadline that won't want to back down on. Send an email to friends announcing a new product launch. Email your client with a due date for that big project you're working on. I'm sure you get the idea of what I'm trying to put over here. Tip 6. Incentivize yourself. After setting deadlines, when you achieve them, reward yourself. If the target number is achieved, you can maybe think of giving yourself a treat by dining at the restaurant of your liking. Or it could be treating yourself to an additional dose of entertainment, or maybe just a cup of coffee. Tip 7. Maintain a support system. Have a group of family or friends who are there for you in the moments you need them. The person shouldn't be a critique, but a person who can empathize with your situation and just be there to give encouragement. Tip number 8. Measure your progress. This way, you will never at any time lack a sense of accomplishment, and more powerfully, you will be building your confidence with each and every step. You see, we can't gain confidence until we begin to take action, which in effect builds our confidence. Yet we don't want to take action until our confidence levels are raised sufficiently and we feel certain about our new endeavor. See the dilemma over here? Tip number 9. Stay active. Sometimes when we are at one place for long, we tend to lose focus. Hence, add different types of activities to your day. Try and maintain specific hours for different type of jobs. This way, with time, your biological clock will readjust. You will be at your productive best during your work hours. Above all, remember to be gentle with yourself. There's always, things that need to be done. But some of us take on way more than we can handle, and our lives turn into a pit of drudgery because of this particular attitude. Try to eliminate the things that truly don't bring you joy, or at least minimize the time you spend on them. Do what you can and let the rest go, or ask for help. Don't feel you have to do everything yourself. Remember that motivation, just like happiness, is something we choose. We may need to give ourselves a little push at the beginning, but once we get into the right mindset, it's simply to stay there if we choose to. That's all I have for you today. If you liked this video, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you can receive a notification whenever I share new content. Also, if you think people in your circle will benefit from this video, please share it with them. Thanks for your time.